Welcome to 3 minute video series. In this video we'll be navigating the new Synergy homeopathic software. The learning in this video would be searching and studying the remedy part 3. Let's go to the program to understand what we can do in this third part. In the earlier two parts of the video I showed you about how you can go to a particular chapter and create a limit using the filter option. In the second part, I showed you about how you can use some features from the advanced search about searching the remedies. In this video, you can limit the entire repertory section to a particular remedy or a particular family. Let's go and see how we can do it. There is a icon on the top right hand side corner just besides the change view settings, and it's called as apply filter on the repertory. Once you click on it, it shows you the options to limit the repertory to author, kingdom or remedy. If I click on remedy, it shows me which remedy I would like to study, and if I just click on staff, STAPH, it shows me the remedy. I just tick on it and I click on apply. Now the whole repertory, the reliable repertory has been limited to the Staphylococcus aureus remedy. So suppose I go in a particular section, cough, and I see everywhere it has been limited to staph. Whether it is having other remedies, all the remedies are hidden. I go back, I go to another chapter, maybe the stomach, I would like to study the pains or what are the different appetite rubrics, and I can study that. Similarly, you can go in and out through any chapter and you can use this as a study tool. The other option what you have over here is to click on the same filter and go on kingdom and type ranunculaceae, and you can see you can have the options of various ranunculaceae. You just click on the top ranunculaceae, it shows you the place where the family has been classified. You click on applied and once you click on a particular chapter, the whole repertory has been limited to the ranunculaceae family, and in this way you can study various appetite rubrics of the ranunculaceae family. You can go back and forth in different chapters and you can study the ranunculaceae family from the different rubrics, from the different chapters, and enhance your homeopathic literature, homeopathic knowledge using the same feature. And in this way you can definitely get across with lot of study material from the repertory. So this was all about this limiting and searching and studying the remedy part 3. Some part of the family we covered, more about families in the upcoming videos. Synergy homeopathic software will suit all types of practitioners, sensation practitioner, classical, Vijayakar, Mind, Kolkata, and there is integration of every methodology, whether it is MAC repertory, reference works, all the schools of thoughts. There are various editions for various class of homeopaths and everyone can get benefit. You can start your journey using the student edition. You can write to me. My email ID have been mentioned and it will really be beneficial for all class of homeopaths. Thank you for your patient listening.